Go British soldiers sit there among them. They fight Biafran soldiers. They fight the Easterners. Upon all those stars, no level. Who don't big pass person, don't big pass person, my brother.
Please, my fellow Biafrans, follow me carefully and watch this particular video, because this new Biafran Liberation Army commander don't finally come out to warn all the Biafran youth who want to join Nigeria soldiers. So he sent a serious message to them. So he told them not to join Nigeria soldier. That Nigeria soldier want to use Igbo youth to escape poverty. So just take 1 minute of your time and listen to him, and also follow this page for more updates. And don't forget to share your thoughts in the comment section, because your opinion matters a lot. So if you like what I'm doing, please listen to him and share this particular video and tag Igbo youth under the comment section, so that this video will go viral, because Igbo youth need to go sense. They need to go sense.
Greetings to all Biafrans, lovers of freedom all over the world. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. There is a news I'm hearing all over the world about the Nigerian government. My dear brother and sister, if you are wise, don't listen to what the Nigerian army is saying. I want to ask a question. Where are those soldiers Nigeria have been recruiting? The Nigerian army have been recruiting soldiers for so long time ago. Where are those soldiers? The youth of the Eastern Northeast. You people should answer questions to the Nigerian government. Where are the soldiers they have been recruiting? Where are they? And why are they so interested of the Eastern youth to come and join army, where they have the Northerners all over the world? There are youths walking around, the Nigerians riding Okada all over the places. Why they can't call them to go and join the force, so they go and fight Boko Haram and bandits? They're the ones that need it most, so that they can join their army to fight for their community. Why are they interested in the Southeast when they have Northerners? And the senator, House of Rep, their governors, they have daughters and sons. Why are they interested in the Southeast? That means they have planned to destroy people. Do not listen to them. Focus in what you are doing. Even if you don't have anything to do, say the Nigerian army, you won't go join. No join, my brothers and sisters. Road no day there. There's nothing you will gain from there. How much are they paying? Even though they pay you 10 million, no go. They will use you for 2 months. You enjoy your money. After 2 months, they will kill you. I swear. They will finish you. The Northern youth are there suffering, looking for work, doing security all over the places, riding Okada. Why should they should call them to put them in army? Why are they calling the Southeast youth? They are looking for people to kill, because they know that hand don't meet their soldiers. Better hand don't meet their soldiers. Upon the armor tank, the bazooka where they carry, the machine gun where they carry, hand don't meet them. They don't see fire way past them. Imagine where military of Nigeria, they bow for bandits and Boko Haram. That means say no level again. The only way they get power now for Southeast. Upon say then go invite Turkey military, carry their equipment, go Niger, invite Nigerian soldiers, go British soldiers sit there among them. They fight Biafran soldiers, they fight the Easterners. Upon all those stars, no level. Who don't big pass person, don't big pass person, my brother. They are trained where they train. Oh he. For after 6 months they come out. The highest train where they train for them now to shoot. If you bring one Eastern youth now, bring one Nigerian army, come and say make they fight. My brother, you go beat them rubbish. You go beat them blue and black. No level. Wetin you want tell us? We no know. Even though they bribe you with money, say go join Nigerian army. My brother, my sister for Biafra land, no go. And anybody will tell you say link day to join Biafran soldiers. Na lie. Nothing. No go. No link. Someone they tell say link day to join Nigeria Biafran soldier. Enemy can form as if say is na Igbo boy or Igbo youth. You go come just to know the in and out of Biafran soldiers. Nothing like link. You know they. If you dey, government will let you know. Biafran government will let you know. There are some talk, we make a mistake in our words. Let us be careful. Let us get what we are fighting for. Biafra is not a child play. Biafra now bomb, time bomb. We want to explode, we want to destroy Nigeria. Nigeria government knows say everything don't dagbaru, they don't fail. They know say Biafra won't come. Person tell you say you want come up for your house, you know one stay gay, one go back to your house. You say no. You tie a rope, lock door, they beat am for inside. My brother, if now you dey inside of the beach, if you see jackknife, you go kill the person, open door comot. If they know say they be Nigeria and they get everything, make they let Biafra go. Because they don't have that sense. Because they know that Biafran land is the more important than everything. It's where honey flow. It's where happiness flow. Where peace dey. Now wicked government. You don't want Biafra to go. You don't want to give them their freedom. You don't want to give them power. So why are you holding Biafra? You say una get everything. Now una get tomatoes. Now una get onions. Make una carry and go. Make una let Biafra go. Una say no. Wetin be una problem? I dey blame all those police, all those military, misbehave for East. My brother, una get children. Una get family. Make una dey reason all those things. Nothing dey last forever. I still dey tell una. Upon the whole thing una dey do, no, at the end, una no dey gain anything. Una see dey fail dey go. Make una leave Biafra. Una say no. Una go recruit soldiers. Carry the northern soldiers, give the eastern governor. Make dem dey kill the youth, they go. Una carry the youth wey be the easterners, go for Boko Haram, make Boko Haram kill them. You say we no know, we know. And the southeast, una say make southeast come see join army. The one wey don join, where they dey? I mean, una carry them go abroad, go give them business, make dem dey do for there. I mean, una carry them go Europe, go show them good life to live. Where the rest soldiers dey? Make una show us. Every day una dey recruit, every year una dey recruit. The vigilantes wey dey for all the Nigerian states, one na no fit in power, na no dey fit pay them. Wey go fight the Boko Haram, wey dey there, the police wey dey for north, one na suppose pay. Even let me say tell una sef, even mobile police wey dey for north go fit defeat the Boko Haram, but una no wan empower them. Na dey find eastern youth, make una put for army, make una go kill them. Na thunder go fire una, na no go die better. People no go die better. My brother and sister, if una get sense, make una ignore them. I know say some saboteurs will go see join her. They will still go join army. Make them for wear khaki. Now that khaki go kill you. If you do finish, you still come southeast. Or they carry go bandit land. You go finish you. Nigeria, wanna be careful. Nigeria government, make una still open her eye. Wanna see say things they go wrong, things they go down. Economies don't finish. Ordinary Cotonou year currency safer. don be pass Nigerian currency. No say disgrace, shame no dey una eye. Una see the whole Biafra. Una see whole Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. I dey tell una, if una no let Biafra go, una economy go die finish. And at the end, Biafra go, una go suffer. Una go chop sand. If una no let Biafra go, Nigeria currency go see dey go down. E go finish. And if una let Biafra go at the end, upon all this suffer, Nigeria no go suffer tire. Now go dey beggars go, if beggars go full Nigeria. All those men waiting say they get money, they go fall kpakpata. Abroad no go save una. External governors. Una time don dey reach. Una time don dey reach. Make una be careful. Make una be careful. Time don reach for una. I no go talk wetin dey our mind.